So another product that we'd like to talk about is our Tank Fresh. So many of you have freshwater tanks, and those freshwater tanks actually need to be cleaned and sanitized. So what you actually need to do is use our two-part system to be able to do that. The first part is a sanitizing system. So this is not a bleach-based system. This is an ammonia-based system. So it doesn't harm your seals, it doesn't harm anything, and it only takes about an hour to work. So once you pour it into your system, you let it stand for an hour, and then you can drain it out. It's all biodegradable, so you can drain it out. The key thing also is this is for the cold water side and the hot water side. So you can run this through both sides of your system, through all your faucets, through all your fixtures, cleanse every single line and sanitize everything. So when you're done, run fresh water through it and drain your tank, and you've got a fully sanitized system at that point in time. The next aspect of it is once you have actually cleaned your tank, the second that you put back in any water whatsoever, it's begin to contaminate it again. So what you want to do is you want to put something into that water. So we also make a freshener. Now, this is a salt-based system, so basically it's bleach-free again, and it will prevent you from having that bleach odor, taste, etc. This is tasteless, colorless, and odorless. So you'll never know what's inside the system. You put in 1 ounce per 20 gallons, and it'll keep your water fresh for 90 days.